In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Delta Executor for your PC. So the first thing you're going to do is to open your Google browser. Then, on the search bar, type Delta Executor. Like this. And now click on Enter. You're going to choose the first page that appears and go to Delta Executor page. Then go to the menu that appears in the upper part of the screen and choose Delta Executor PC. Then click on Download Delta Executor for Windows. And in this page, you have to scroll down until you get to the downloading links. You can choose any of the three that appear. If you scroll down, you can learn how to download Delta Executor on PC step by step. You can also learn how to inject Delta Executor PC on Roblox through these screenshots. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and a comment and consider subscribing for more content like this. See you on the next one.